Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, ANSM Overland. Okay, so we are together today for a quick how-to video, and you may have noticed that the ladder of my rooftop tent is just beside me. And that's because it's gonna be how to fix your rooftop tent ladder. And more precisely, it's gonna be how to change the blocking pins of your ladder. You can see that they're missing on my ladder, and that's simply because I've ripped them off on the height limit barrier. And in order to do that, you're gonna need a repair kit. So this kit have been generously provided to me by Jebel Extreme, the makers of my rooftop tent. And if you want to get one, I'm pretty sure you can contact and ask your local rooftop tent seller or retailer. They're gonna provide one to you. So please follow me, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. So for this, you're gonna need a drill, some pop rivets, a pop rivet gun, your repair kit, and the broken ladder. First of all, you need to remove the top caps of the ladder by drilling into pop rivets. Then remove the top caps. These are the broken pieces of the previous blocking pins. Here is the correct order of the new blocking pieces. First a washer, the spring, another washer, the first little pin, and at the end the last little pin. This is how it should look on the ladder. And here comes the trickiest part, putting the little pin with the whole system on the ladder. You can use a flathead screwdriver to push the spring. It's gonna leave you some space for your fingers. Push them nicely in. Okay, so the first side is nicely done. I'm really happy with it. It's a bit tricky to get this little piece in because you need a really tiny fingers, but it's definitely doable. So let's do the other side. Bam! This is it! The two sides are done and fully functional. Now I'm just gonna add some grease on the spring system to keep them working. And now we're gonna put back the top caps on and fix them with new pop rivets. guys, I now have a fully functional ladder. The process isn't really hard, there is just one part, which is a bit tricky, but that's totally doable. You don't need a lot of tools. And I decided to make this little video because I didn't found anything on internet or on YouTube about this little blocking pins. So if you were in this situation, I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check my Instagram account. I now also have a Facebook page, so don't forget to check it as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.